Never throw away cardboard. Beauty is just waiting to be cut out. Look at these battered shipping boxes. Most people throw them right into the trash. I'm turning this discarded cardboard into a glowing miniature fairytale castle instead. First, I peel away the top paper layer to expose the corrugated ridges inside. Slicing paper towel tubes creates sturdy, cylindrical towers for the 4 outer corners. Cardboard strips glued together form a strong, rigid square base for the keep. Hot glue secures the 4 corner tower tubes directly to the main base. I notch tiny rectangular battlements along the upper rim of each tower cylinder. Curving chipboard into steep cones creates realistic, pointed roofs for all 4 towers. A scalpel cuts an arched gateway in the front wall for the drawbridge. Embossing grid lines with a stylus transforms flat cardboard into individual stone blocks. Twine threaded through tiny drilled eyelets becomes working chains for the drawbridge. Gluing tiny cardboard planks creates a miniature wooden plank texture on the gate. Peeling egg carton pulp yields rough, organic stone textures for the main keep. This gives our castle a realistic look. A thin coat of gesso paste bonds all the cardboard layers together smoothly. Dabbing dark gray acrylic paint into recessed crevices creates deep shadow depth. Dry brushing light slate gray across raised surfaces makes the stone brick pop. Stippling wash of raw umber adder adds believable age and rain weathering stains. Pressing fine green flocking into corners mimics moss growing along damp stones. Wiring a tiny warm micro-LED bulb inside illuminates the castle windows. Crafting tiny red fabric banners adds a regal touch atop every tower. A final matte varnish seal protects the cardboard and locks in weathering. Stepping back, every piece of waste cardboard is completely unrecognizable now. From greasy trash boxes to a fairytale castle glowing right on my workbench. Placed beside a single coin, you can really see just how tiny it is.